wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best strawberry shortcake dolls. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, you'll be able to see just how much the styles have changed with the Bridge Direct Then and Now Lemon Meringue. It comes with classic and modern versions, both of which sport striped leggings, blonde hair, and the character's signature scent. They feature bright clothing with fun patterns and posable arms and legs, and they're packed in an attractive gift box. At number 9, appealing equally to children and adult collectors, the Funko Pop 2-pack features Miss Shortcake herself, along with her pal Blueberry Muffin. Also included are their cute animal friends Custard the Cat and Cheesecake the Mouse. These are all a durable plastic build and are detailed and colourful, but the mouthless design seems odd. Coming in at number 8 on our list, this Hasbro styling is ready for an appointment at Lemon Salon, and you can brush, braid and twist the long hair into all sorts of exciting looks. You receive several accessories as well as an ideas booklet in case you need some inspiration. It includes 2 pink extensions, 3 clips and 4 barrettes. However, it is considerably expensive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Strawberry Shortcake Dolls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, this birthday cake topper comes with a random assortment of characters such as Blueberry Muffin, Orange Blossom, Plum Pudding, Raspberry Tart, and more. They're fun to use for a themed party and can be washed off and played with when dessert is done. You get 6 plastic figures in total, and each stands 3 inches tall. It also includes 2 cardboard cutouts. Moving up our list to number 6, the Bridge Direct Berry Bake Shop is equipped with the crusts, frostings and toppings for creating colourful cakes and pies. The 6-inch classic doll features its trademark freckles, a red dress and a pretty pink hair bow. It includes removable clothes for dress-up play and an oven with a door that opens, along with ladle and spatula images. Offering up our list at number 5, the Strawberry Shortcake Classic Collection includes the show's eponymous character, as well as lime chiffon and lemon meringue. If you're looking to share a beloved toy from your childhood with your own kids, this might be the set to get you started. These have sturdy vinyl bodies and the outfits are swappable. Each wears a cute hat. At number 4, children can help the red-headed hostess and her cat Custard throw an exciting party at the Bridge Direct Berry House, which features balloons, a cake and drinks. When playtime is done, it folds up easily with everything stored neatly inside. It's equipped with a convenient carrying handle and the case is 10 inches tall. This is a budget-friendly choice. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with its small black and lavender eyes and some prominent freckles, the basic fun classic Blueberry Muffin will take you back to the 1980s. It also boasts a ruffled hat with flowers, along with the character's trademark pigtails tied with ribbons. It sports accurate detailing and endearing facial expression. It feels sturdy and well made. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Strawberry Shortcake Dolls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, this basic fun classic soft is a huggable 14-inch tall rag doll suitable for a collector or parent who wants to share their favorite toy with a new generation. Its signature pink, red and green outfit and sweet smell are sure to remind you of your childhood. The curly hair is made of yarn and it's made with durable stitching. It's good for ages 3 and up. And taking the top spot on our list, you can avoid having to shell out for an expensive vintage original and instead get the basic fun classic Strawberry Shortcake, which remains true to the models of yesteryear all the way down to the sweet and scrumptious berry scent. It features green and white striped leggings and a removable pink hat, and stands almost half a foot tall. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Strawberry Shortcake Dolls, or simply click beneath this video.